Imagine this. You're running late, and you quickly pop last night's leftovers into the microwave. In just a couple of minutes, your food is hot and ready to eat. But then a thought crosses your mind, is this actually safe? Could microwaving food be harmful to my health? Today, we're discussing a topic that has sparked debate for decades. Are microwave ovens safe, and do microwaves cause cancer? We'll explore scientific studies, the types of radiation involved, and the potential risks related to microwave use, including whether it affects nutrient content in food. Let's separate fact from fiction. Hey everyone, welcome back to NV360, where we look at life from every angle. Today, we want to clear up some common misconceptions about microwave ovens and the radiation they use. There's often a lot of fear and confusion around the word radiation, but the truth is, not all radiation is the same. So let's dive into it. Microwave ovens use a type of electromagnetic radiation to heat food. But before we jump into the science, let's clear up the term radiation and how it affects us. There are two main types. 1. Ionizing radiation. This is the type we should be cautious about. It includes X-rays, gamma rays, and ultraviolet or UV radiation. These types of radiation have enough energy to remove tightly bound electrons from atoms, which can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. 2. Non-ionizing radiation. This is the type of radiation that microwaves use. It includes things like radio waves, microwaves, and infrared light. These forms of radiation don't have enough energy to break chemical bonds or ionize molecules, which makes them much less harmful compared to ionizing radiation. Microwave ovens specifically use non-ionizing radiation at a frequency of around 2.45 gigahertz. What this does is cause the water molecules in food to vibrate, generating heat and cooking the food. Importantly, this does not alter the molecular structure of food or cause cancerous mutations in human cells. Now, you might still be wondering, is it safe? Well, multiple health organizations have done extensive research, and here's what they found. Microwave ovens do not emit harmful radiation when used correctly. The metal shielding and mesh on the door of the microwave prevent any radiation from leaking out. There is absolutely no scientific evidence linking microwave radiation to cancer. Unlike ionizing radiation, microwaves simply don't have enough energy to break chemical bonds or damage DNA. Even if there's some minor leakage, it's so small that it doesn't pose any risk to our health. That said, no technology is completely without risk. But based on the research, microwaves are one of the safest methods we have for heating food, as long as they're used properly. Another common concern is whether microwaving food reduces its nutritional value. Here's the reality. Every cooking method affects the nutrients in food. Whether you boil, steam, fry, or microwave, some vitamins and minerals will break down due to heat. But microwaving is actually one of the best methods for retaining nutrients. Studies have shown that microwaving vegetables can preserve more vitamins compared to boiling, because it uses less water and shorter cooking times. For example, boiling spinach can cause up to a 70% loss of vitamin C, but microwaving it helps retain more of that nutrient. So, microwaving doesn't destroy nutrients any more than other cooking methods, and in some cases, it's actually better for preserving them. Now, while microwaving itself is safe, how you use your microwave is key. One important thing to be aware of is the type of container you use. Microwaving food in unsafe plastic containers can be problematic. Some plastics contain chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which can leach into your food when heated. These chemicals have been linked to hormone disruption and other health risks. Always use microwave-safe glass or ceramic containers. Avoid reusing plastic takeout containers unless they are specifically labeled as microwave-safe. Never microwave food in plastic wrap unless it's labeled safe for microwave use. To put things in perspective, microwaves are just one example of non-ionizing radiation we encounter in our daily lives. Other common sources include cell phones. These emit radio frequency waves, another form of non-ionizing radiation. Wi-Fi routers. They operate in similar frequency ranges as microwave ovens. Bluetooth devices. These also use non-ionizing radio frequency waves for data transmission. Since none of these types of radiation can break chemical bonds or alter DNA, they are all considered safe for everyday exposure. Final verdict. Should you worry about microwaves? The science is clear. Microwave ovens are safe when used properly. Let's start by putting to rest some common myths. First off, microwaves do not produce cancer-causing radiation. This is a big misconception. The radiation they use is non-ionizing, which is not harmful in the way that some types of radiation can be. Now, what about the nutritional value of your food? Another myth is that microwaving reduces the nutrients in your meals. In reality, microwaving does not significantly reduce the nutritional value of food. In fact, some studies suggest it might even help preserve nutrients better than other cooking methods, like boiling. However, the real issue is not the microwave itself, but how you use it. The danger comes when you heat food in unsafe plastic containers. Some plastics can release harmful chemicals when heated, so it's important to use microwave-safe containers. This is one of the easiest ways to ensure your microwave usage is safe. Now, another common worry is whether microwave radiation can cause harm to our bodies. While microwave radiation doesn't cause cancer, it can cause burns if you're exposed to it at high levels. But this kind of exposure is extremely unlikely with regular microwave use. The radiation from a microwave only heats food or body tissue in the same way, and burns happen only under certain conditions, usually when there is a high level of exposure. So, the radiation from a microwave oven is not something to worry about when it comes to cancer or other long-term health effects. If you're still concerned about your microwave, it's best to avoid staying in front of it while it is running, just to be extra cautious with potential radiation leakage. But ultimately, the choice is yours. If you're not comfortable using a microwave, that's totally okay. No one should feel pressured to use one. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope this clears up some of the confusion around microwave ovens. If you found this information helpful, feel free to share it with others who might have similar concerns. Take care and happy microwaving.